Hello all. Let's discuss on both Nifty and Bank Nifty from weekly to intraday time frames. Along with that, we will be discussing on budget day as well. How we are going to plan a budget trade. Okay. Now, when we see over here on weekly time frame, this is Bank Nifty on weekly time frame. From past few weeks, Bank Nifty was halting in this range only. The two in weekly time frame. And what happened in previous week? We got a very good breakdown and got a very good rally also. Now we are heading towards the lower side. Everyone will be thinking that market will crash, all those things, but we have to make sure that we got this huge rally, and this might be a retracement to this rally as well. Now when we see over here, we are having 40,000 level, which is acting as a very good support from fib. Now it will be of 38.2% level. So we have to be made sure that when we get any opportunity of buying side over here, then we may see all-time high again. This may happen, but we are not pretty sure that it will happen. But because of the Fibonacci retracement and the market retest level, we can plan a buying side trade as well over here. Now, if we get a breakdown to this level also, then we are having a very good support of 38,000 level. Now, when we hit this 38,000 level from here, we can plan either buying or selling side trade. There is a probability of reaching 38,000 level is also there, and there is a probability of reaching all time high is also there. So we have to plan accordingly. When we go to daily time frame, let's show my analysis as well. Now when you see over here, the same thing, 40,000 will be acting as a very good support area over here, and we are having a very good support of 38,000. Now on daily time frame itself, if we get any halt over here, and after this halt, if we get a breakdown to this 40,000 level, then we can plan trade till 38,000 level. Or else if we are getting continuous red candles over here only, you can see over here, from past few days, we are getting only red candles, right? From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From past 6 days, we are getting only red candles over here. And on Monday and Tuesday, if we are getting a green candles over here and to retest to this 41,000 level. And on budget day, we can plan another selling side rally. And from here, we can plan till 38,000 level also. If we are getting breakdown and sustainability below 40,000 level, or else if we are halting over here and giving breakout to 41,000 level and sustaining above this level, then we can plan for all-time high again, but not aggressively. We'll plan slow and steadily, because we'll be having few resistances over here as well. There is a trend line resistance will be there. We are having this resistance of 43,000 level will be there. Then another resistance is 43,500 is there. We'll be hitting all these resistance zones, and slow and steadily we will be reaching all-time high. But for selling side, there is a good opportunity that if we are sustaining below 40,000 level, then we can plan for selling side easily. Moving to 1 hour time frame. Now you can see over here, market is giving a fall, a small halt, then again a fall and small halt over here. The same thing might happen if we are getting breakdown to this level, then we can see some more fall, then halt. Or if we are halting today here only, from tomorrow onwards, on Monday and Tuesday, we are getting some small upside momentum, and we are reaching to 41,000 level or 41,500 level also. From here, we are getting any bearish trade, then we can initiate a bearish trade easily. We can plan for first target of 40,000. If we are getting breakdown to this 40,000 level also, then we can plan for further more side. Moving to intraday time frame, that is 15 minutes. The same thing will be over here as well. Now we are having a very good resistance of 41,000. If tomorrow opens any gap up opening over here, then we will be having a range of 40,200 to 41,000 level. The market may halt over in this zone only, because as of now the premiums are very high. There will be a decay in the premiums if market is halting over here only. If you check the ATM option premiums, they are pretty high, and because of budget event, the IV is also spiked. For that, premiums are also high. When on the budget day, when the budget news is going on, at the time market will be giving some upside and downside spikes. At the time, premium decay will be very high. So you have to plan that on budget day. You don't have to go for option buying in the first half. Plan your budget day trade, that is option buying, after the news is completed. Wait till news is completed. After that, you can plan your trade, because in the news, you can see upside spike as well. In the news, you can see downside spike as well. Based on the comments by our FM finance minister, you will be getting spikes over upside and downside easily. In those upside and downside spikes, you may hit your stop loss as well, because as your premium is very high, your stop loss might be bigger. It is more than 40 to 50 points, or sometimes it is more than 100 points also. So you have to avoid those trades. risking 100 points to get 100 points is not good over here. So on news day, on budget day, what you have to do is you have to avoid the trade in first half. After first half, you can mark your levels. After the marking levels, if you get any breakout or breakdown, based on it you can plan a trade for almost more than 1:2 trade. Okay, on budget day you have to wait till the premium decay may happen. After that you can go for the trade. Let me show you. We'll modify the date over here to see how the market behaved. Yeah, now we have opened. See over here on budget day, market was completely sideways for half day, right? It was sideways till 12:45. After 12:45 only, it has given a very good breakdown and rally as well. Now what you have to do is you can go for 5 minutes time frame or 3 minutes time frame also. In this time frame, you have to mark your range. After marking your range, if you are getting breakdown, then immediately you can enter a trade and you can book at least 1:2 trade and you can come out of it. You don't have to hold it for longer because on budget day you can see both side volatility. Only in rare cases we can see a directional rally in Banknifty and Nifty, as we can say as a market. But most of the times what you can see is you will be seeing a volatile move. You have seen a very huge fall and then upside rally as well. So what you have to plan is mark your range in either 5 minutes or 3 minutes time frame and wait for candle closing of that range. Then you can initiate your trade for 1:2. Minimum this is 1:2. You can trail. You have to trail. You don't have to hold for bigger targets. You have to trail your stop loss aggressively and you have to book your targets. Consider if I have entered based on this 15 minutes candle only. After entering, I might have tried to stop loss to this level aggressively, then here, then here, then here. Why means I don't want to lose the opportunity as well as I don't want to lose the my profits which I have been running. Because on budget day, I can see either side spike easily. You can see over here, we saw a huge spikes over here. In these spikes, the premium decay will be high and we'll be having lesser premiums when we are going to enter, and we will be getting good opportunity and easy to book. On bank nifty, as we are discussing on 15 minutes time frame, if it opens flat to gap up opening, then we are having a resistance of 41,000 level and we are having a support of 40,200 level. We'll be halting over here only. If we halt over here for 2 days, on Wednesday as we are having a budget day, then we can plan a directional trade as well as, and we'll be getting good opportunity on both sides. If we are getting breakout, then we can plan for upper side trade. If we are getting breakdown, then we can plan for downside trade as well. This is about Bank Nifty. Now let's move to Nifty once. The same thing happened over here as well. Nifty was also in this tight range, right? The 2 on weekly time frame, and we got a breakdown to this. Now what we are having is our next support level will be near 17,000 level. It is 17,000 level. If we sustain over this level only, if we sustain below 17,500 level, then we can easily see 17,000 level in coming days. Okay, moving to a daily time frame with our analysis part, we have this trend line which got breakdown. After breakdown, we were having a very good support area, which is this one. We got breakdown to this level as well. That is 17,800 level. Now we are sustaining over this level. Now what we need is we need at least a halt candle over here because we have been falling continuously from past 3 days. If we get a halt of 1 or 2 days, then we can initiate selling side trade aggressively, right? If we don't get any halt and we are falling aggressively, then there is no point of entering into the trade. That is, we are entering into a running trade, right? We can't jump into a running trade easily. Moving to 1 hour time frame, what we are planning is if market opens flat to gap up opening, then we can wait till 17,800 over here. And if we get any reversal opportunity here, then we can plan a trade till 17,600 again. Moving to intraday time frame. And intraday time frame also we have been in this range only. We have to get in this range for few days. Few days means almost 2 days. Then we can plan our trade easily. Or else if market is falling continuously, then we can't enter easily with a proper stop loss. Because market is falling continuously, there are few sellers who might have entered at these levels or in a higher level as well, and they might be booking their profits. They might be having very big profits. When we reach over this level, they may start booking their profits, then market start to move upside. That means we will be hitting our stop losses. So what we have to do is we have to get a sideways market for 1 or 2 days. After that, we can initiate our trade and we can plan a very good aggressive trade as well. This is the analysis of both Nifty and Bank Nifty. And on budget day, what you have to do is you have to wait till 12:30 p.m. Okay, wait till 12:30 p.m. in either 5 minutes or 3 minutes based on your mindset. You can plan your time frame either 5 minutes or 3 minutes. In those time frame, you have to mark your range. After marking your range, wait for a breakdown, that two candle close, either breakout or breakdown. After that candle close, you can initiate your trade for 1:2, that is minimum, and you have to trail your stop loss aggressively to capture big moves. Even if trailing stop loss is, then that is also fine. You will be ending in profits only, because after giving a close to this level, the market might move easily 1:2, and from here it may halt and slow and steady. It may move upside or downside based on the breakout or breakdown. So what you have to do is you have to plan your trade according to that one. How to initiate your trade based on the breakout or breakdown, then you have to trail your stop loss. And don't enter in the morning session itself, because in the morning session news will be flowing. Every statement will affect the market. After completion of the news, then market will decide the direction. So in the news part, market will be halting sideways, and it will be giving upside breakouts and failures, downside breakdowns and failed breakouts. So in these breakouts and breakdowns, the premium will decay aggressively. Consider because of IV. Because of IV, the premiums might be 300 to 250 level of ATM only. ATM strike prices premium only. So these premiums will draw down to 150 to 100 in the sideways market itself, because news is flowing and the market will be giving fake breakouts and fake breakdowns, and the premium will decay aggressively and IV will be coming down. After this coming down, the premiums will be favorable for our entry prices as well, and we can plan our trade easily. In these trades also, we can plan for maximum stop loss of 30 to 50 points, or maximum up to 100 points. You don't have to plan more than 100 points stop loss. I hope these points are adding insight to your trading journey as well. If you like the content, like the video and share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel to get more amazing videos on trading. We'll be planning more learning videos in coming days.